Right, okay, so I'm testing it again. I'm doing it as high res as I can on this camera, but you can see it's a bit blurred. The mesh filter on the screen really does mess it up. You can see that it's different colours. The camera's struggling to focus on this. I'll come back, you might see it better. Yeah, so you can see that the colour banding works. Striking, you see the cameras when the graphics go through. So you don't get that mask effect, but yeah, it's a bit disappointing, to be fair. It's got it all blue tacked over the Vectrex at the minute. So this isn't a very good candidate for doing it. I need a... So you can't even really see. Look how blurred. Well, the camera's not helping. Yeah, it's not mega. The colouring works, but it's just not good.